Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Sage and I have a different video for you today. My daughter and I are going to show you how we clean up the kitchen after breakfast. This doesn't happen all the time, let's just be real, but every now and then she does like to come to the kitchen and help me out, and today is one of those days. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments if you get your children involved with the cleaning, and I hope that you can subscribe and enjoy more of our videos. Stick around until the end where you'll see some bloopers, some funny bits that happen during this time. But yeah, sit back and enjoy this cleaning motivation. See you in the next video. So as I'm going to show you, kids will be kids, and after a while she wanted to go off and do her own stuff, so she went outside to play with the dog, and there they are outside. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope that you found some cleaning motivation and had a laugh with us. Bye.